Students, welcome to your computer class for Thursday. So today also we are going to recapitulate on our chapter 1, that is networking concept. We will recapitulate on the last topic from this chapter. So let's start. So before starting our today's session, let us do a small recap of what we have done in our previous class. So if you can remember, in the last class we had recapitulated on network architecture. So network architecture is what? It is an overall design of how a computer network should be set up and what strategies we should follow while setting up the network. Then we had learned that there are mainly two types of computer network. Okay, that is the client server network, where several computers which are known as clients or workstations are connected to the main computer, which we known as the server. Then we had learned that the second type of computer network is a peer-to-peer network, where a few computers having equal capacity and capabilities are connected together to use the resources available on the network. Then we recapitulated on that how to share a file, okay, in network. So to access a file from a shared drive, what we need to do is we have to double click on the network icon on the desktop, or we can click on the start button and select the computer icon, and from there we have to select the network option from the folder pane. Then we have to select the required shared drive so that we can see the contents of it in the view pane, and from there we have to find the required file in the drive. And if we want to open the file, we just need to double click on it and open it and see the contents, and from there we have to select, and then we have to copy and paste on the drive which we want it. Okay, so this is how we access a file from a shared drive. So this was all about our previous session. So let us start our today's class. So the learning objectives of today's session will be, we will recapitulate on network security. Okay, the last topic from this lesson. So let's start. So network security means protecting data and resources from unauthorized access. It is the most important aspect in computer networking. So since many users are accessing the same data, so we must ensure its proper safety. So only authorized persons, okay, can access or modify the data in a network. So consider we took the following points which may happen in any organization. So some employees may try to change the data concerning their leave records, their salaries, their performance appraisals, etc. Or sometimes it may happen that accidentally we may delete some important data. Sometimes what happens, former employees or some other people which want to harm the company's data, okay, they may steal, or people from outside the company may try to access confidential data from the network. For that we need to ensure security. So there are two general levels of network security. That is, the first one is login security, where the users are given a unique login and a password. Then we have the write security, which based upon the username we are given rights like read only access or read write access or no access at all. Then a combination of rights can also be granted to the same user for different sets of data. Okay, so this is all about your network security. So let us summarize. So in our today's class, we have learned that network security means protecting our data and resources in a network from unauthorized access. Okay, so that other people cannot use the data. So it is the most important aspect of computer networking. Then we have recapitulated that there are two general levels of network security. That is the login security, where a user is given a unique login name and a password. Then we had the next one is write security, where users are given rights like read only access or read write access or no access at all. And some users may be given both the security rights. Okay, so this is all about our today's class. Okay, after this video I have some extra questions which you have to answer based on your knowledge, and you have to learn them as well. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.